So VIX75 it's in a downtrend, as you can see. We are downtrending so far on the VIX. This is a major downtrend. So this is the major channel that we've been following on the VIX75. This is the major channel that we've been following. At the bottom of the channel we buy, at the top of the channel we sell. So from the top of the channel sell there, we're expecting it to go all the way, either to test this this swing low here, or to even break and come back to the bottom. So somewhere here, that's where the target for this sales is going to be, maybe before a reversal. But so long this channel is still intact, the market is still going to respect and follow that for a very long time. So this is a major downtrend channel, as you can see. So in as much as we know that we are in a major downtrend channel, doesn't mean that we're never going to have buying opportunities. Buying opportunities are always going to be there. All these counter trends are buying opportunities that one would have taken advantage of. All these counter trends. So these are trends that you're discovering within the major trend just by using your trend lines like this. Break would have bought and sold there because of the key level here. So we are in this major downward channel, and remember the concept of key levels we always apply it each and every time when we're doing our top-down analysis. We make sure that we always draw our key levels. So these are my key levels so far. These are my key levels so far on the VIX. These are my key levels that I'm looking at on the VIX. So you realize that all the counter trends were simply opportunities for one to actually take advantage of them like this. Sun is here. So you realize that recently we're in a counter trend buy, which was this one, from the bottom of the channel to the top. That was actually a counter trend buy that one could have taken advantage of on the VIX. This whole buy up until that key level there that is at the top here, up until the market reached this key level there. So this counter trend sold straight there. First target this trend line here. Then up on the break of the trend line, wait for the retest, which is this level here. Put a Fibonacci point A, from point A like that to point B. The retracement, you see that it respected the 38.2%, which means that the probability of the market coming all the way here, all the way to this level is very high. 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, it means that the momentum to the downside was strong. You're looking out for buying opportunities on, or looking for selling opportunities on the VIX. So even if you want to look at it using our smart conference trading 3.0, you realize that here, this was a higher low. Here, there was already a change of character here. Change of character since the market pocket like that. After the change of character, the market pulled back and tapped into this fair value gap or imbalance, which is this level here. Market pulled back into this imbalance, which also happens to be confluencing our Fibonacci as well. So you realize that already using all smart conference trading 2.0, 1.0, and even 3.0, all of them, they're saying the same thing concerning the VIX, that it's actually going down. So right now, here, one can actually get buying up, selling opportunity. If we break this support here, break of this support, retest, get more sells here up until we reach this one. This is what we're looking forward to, VIX75. This is our whole analysis and our whole structure for the VIX. So looking for selling entries, you go down to lower time frames and look for structures that will give you selling opportunities. You can actually check those ones. So this is for our time frame, as you can see. It's for our time frame. Let me just refine this fair value gap, right? To find like that. So one could have sold immediately there, 38.2, which was also in confluence with break and retest, number 1, number 2, 3.2, number 3, the fair value gap, something like that. All those consequences are actually going to give someone some beautiful entry opportunities. So the other entry opportunity that I'm looking at and looking forward to on the VIX is the break of this trend line. Touch. So the break here, the break here can also give some opportunities for sales. Same as the break and the test of the support will also give more and more sales on the VIX. So right now, going down to lower time frames, you can actually get some opportunities that will give you this this move from here to this trend line. If it breaks there, we're looking forward to a continuation. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the channel that we are currently in. So you realize that as VIX will be moving, if you focus on smaller time frames, if you don't have a high time frame bias that you're looking at and focus on smaller time frames, you realize that fluctuations will really mess up with your head like this. All these consolidations and fluctuations on the VIX, if ever you don't have that high time frame bias, they will actually play around with your head and mess up your equity or balance, because you will not be knowing what is happening on the high time. That is why you always need to do a top-down analysis. A top-down analysis will help you to avoid being trapped in these fluctuations, because fluctuations, they are found in any market. Fluctuations are always there. Fluctuations are always going to be there. So avoid being trapped in fluctuations. Make sure that you always do a top-down analysis before you engage yourself in any trades. For example, yesterday, this was all fluctuations. We can't say the market was going up, we can't say the market was going down. In as much as it tapped into this fair value gap and imbalance level there, just to find this. In as much as it tapped into this fair value gap or imbalance level, one who knows the smart contract trading 3.0 could have actually sold exactly there on that level. Sold there, then all these fluctuations as they will be happening. You just look for something like a trend line, for example, here. This trend line could have actually helped you to scale in some of the positions. You could have actually scaled in to the sales, and you could have actually added more sales simply using this trend line. So tapped into the zone, also the Fibonacci retracement, sold there, come again, sell, something like that. So right now we also have this, right? So this is also an opportunity for entries. This is also an opportunity for entries. Why? As soon as the market can give us something like either a pullback here into this zone, sales can be taken to this level. If it breaks here, you know what is going to happen. If it breaks there, we're expecting a break and also a break of that support zone there. So either it gives us a pullback all the way there, that would be wonderful. Sales can actually be taken from there for someone who didn't enter either here, someone who didn't enter there, or here, or here. You can also enter here as well. So all these that I'm marking, these are my zones that I'm looking forward for entries. These are my zones that I'm looking forward for entries on the VIX75. These are my zones that I'm looking forward for entries on the VIX75. Selling opportunities. Selling opportunities on the VIX. You can actually take selling opportunities. Right. So this is also another level that we're looking at. Just in case it doesn't go all the way there, this level, so long it's respected, you can also sell based on that.